Australian customers, here's how to install our new magnetic backing onto the Samsung Tab Active5. As you can see, it's specifically engineered and designed to fit inside the case or into the back of the case of the Tab Active5. It's nice and flush. And it's as simple as taking this sticker off the back of the fingers here, and we're going to apply it. I'm just going to pause the video here, and once we've taken the sticker off, and you'll see the rest. Thank you. Okay, just taking the back of the rest of that sticker off now. And the key here is just to line up, take your time, nice and carefully, so that the fingers match the contours of the device. Gently drop it down into there, perfectly flush, and just give it a nice firm press along each one to make sure that adhesive sticks. And you are ready to go with a Samsung Tab Active5